larger flowers, we need to cut the center out and actually glue under the inside so we can sit our stitchery panel underneath it. So for that, we'll just take a little snip and then cut out with about 1/4 inch seam allowance in the middle, and then you're going to snip that in a curve quite close, but again we're stopping 2 threads short of the paper template so that all our little raw edges will be on the back, not showing on the front. I should have my little Karen K. Buckley scissors to do this, because I know my little sharp point, I know where it's going to stop. Okay, then I'll be running my glue around here like this and pushing it all the way over to the back so that the end of my snip is over onto the back. No raw threads poking out. So quite quick. This is very simple. Just feed it around. I'll give that a press, and if you've done enough snips, then you should have a perfectly smooth inner circle curve, and then I'll do the outside in the same way as I did before, and that will be sitting on top of our stitchery circle underneath. So it's like reverse applique on top, half are done like that and half are done the original way.